नमो नमः। संस्कृत कणिका द्वितीया श्रीपाद शर्मणः। संस्कृत स्निपेट्स नंबर 2 by S.L. Abhyankar. Monday, July 19th, 2021. In snippet number 1, about the word Kanaha, there was the mention Dhanyamshaha ityamaraha iti amaraha. So says Amaraha. This mention refers to Amarkoshaha. At https://sa.wiksource.org/wiki/amarkoshaha/trutiyakandam. I get Kanoti Sukshme Dhanyamshe Sanghate Pramathe Ganaha. Basically, Amarkoshaha is a thesaurus. The line quoted above begins with the word Kanaha and ends with Ganaha. As such, Kanaha and Ganaha seem to be two antonyms put together in one line. By another perspective, the line has two parts. The first part, Kanoti Sukshme Dhanyamshe, is sort of a definition of Kanaha, that Kanaha Ati Sukshmaha Dhanyamshaha is Kanaha. Minutest particle of any matter is Kanaha. As was mentioned in snippet number 1, in Aptay dictionary, one meaning of Kanika is atom, Anuhu. It is amazing that there is mention in ancient Sanskrit texts of not only Anuhu, but even Anoho Aniyaha, children of Anu. See, Anoho Raniyan Samanusmaredyaha. This is in Gita 8-9. Dhanyamshaha is an interesting word. The general meaning of Dhanyamshaha, Dhanya plus Amshaha, Dhanyasya Amshaha, is a grain. But meaning of Dhanyamshaha as a grain must not be limited to grains of wheat, rice, pulses collected by a farmer. Basically, Dhanyam does not mean just these foods. By widest perspective, Dhanyam means any matter, every matter, all matter. In Shabdakalpadrumaha, one etymology of Dhanyam is Dadhati iti. Dha plus Dadhater yan nutcha unam 5-48 iti yan nutcha. By this, whatever Dadhati, whatever has form and content is Dhanyam. The second part, Sanghate Pramathe Ganaha, is a definition of Ganaha, that when Sanghataha, togetherness, is Pramatha, cohesive, it becomes a Ganaha. By this definition, the word Ganaha is what a set is in the set theory in mathematics. Ashtadhyayi, the most renowned and most respected treatise on Sanskrit grammar, Sanskrit Vyakaranam, is replete with the sets. Ganaha. The phrase Sanghate Pramathe has a special Sanskrit construct, Sati Saptami. Both are in Saptami Vibhakti. Even individually, both these words, Sanghataha and Pramatha, merit a study. Sanghataha, union, combination, and association. For example, Tvakchamamsam statha asthini majja snayuscha panchamam ityetat iha sanghatam. This is from Mahabharata. What is Deha, a body? It is a combination, Sanghata, of Tvak, that is the skin, Mausam, muscle, Asthini, bones, Majja, the nerves, Snayuhu, muscle, or the Indriyas, we can say, Panchamam. All these together make the body. So body also is a set, Sanghata. So another meaning of Sanghata is multitude, an assemblage, a collection. In Shabdakalpadrumaha, Sanghataha, Pullingam, sam plus han plus ghai. It is from the dhatu han and with the krut pratyaya ghai. Upasargaha sam, sam plus han plus ghai, samuhaha. So Sanghata means samuha. Pramathaha is from pra plus math or month. Note, matha mantha means to stir up, to agitate, as in samudra manthanam or vichara manthanam. When we put sugar in milk, we stir it up so that the sweetness spreads all over uniformly. Sanghate pramathe ganaha means a ganaha happens by togetherness and cohesiveness. By yet another perspective, in the first part, kanoti sukshme dhanyanshe, there are two synonyms, kanaha and dhanyamshaha. In the second part, sanghate pramathe ganaha, also there are three synonyms, sanghataha, pramathaha and ganaha. The basic thought of a thesaurus is to present synonyms and antonyms. A thesaurus, the definition I got on the internet, a thesaurus, plural thesauri or thesauruses, or synonym dictionary, is a reference work for finding synonyms and sometimes antonyms of words. It is said that in the very first edition of Roget's Thesaurus, there was acknowledgement by Mr. Roget of his having borrowed the concept of a thesaurus from Amarkosha. Actually, Amarsimha, the author of Amarkosha, was not the originator of the concept. The concept can be cited in Nighantuhu, accredited to Yask Muni. Nighantuhu being a thesaurus of words in Vedic texts. In Aptech Dictionary, Nighantaha or Nighantuhu, a vocabulary or glossary of words. Particularly, the glossary of Vedic words explained by Yaska in his Niruktam. Note, Niruktam delineates etymologies and Nighantaha or Nighantuhu is glossary or appendix of Niruktam. There are many original concepts which have Indian origin, rather a Sanskrit origin. We shall dwell on them, study them, gather knowledge, kanaha by kanaha, that is kanashaha. Shubhamastu.